Assalamualaikum, we are at Beach Walk at the top. It's a good view up here. Yeah, they're trying to get away from the sun. The tide is high.
What's the red flag?
Which red flag? Red flag?
Don't swim.
I'm not sure. There's no one in the water. The food court, we went as far as the food court last time, but we didn't go here. I'm gonna go back. We're at the top of Beach Walk.
And then I was going to try around the food court. I got stopped by just to do it. Just looked on and I thought I should have just come to the back.
So that's where we're at, Mitsui. It was tucked away. Oh, you want to go in here? Have a look.
Oh, it's one in the city.
So what's so special? Oh, look at that. KFC. Tak pernah, never ever. Ingat kali, I don't know, anime, maybe, I'm not sure.
Our brand is sometimes we have the collaboration. There is license.
Okay. Alright, so it's, yeah, there's a license for it. Okay. How much is it? Hmm?
Maybe you like you. In this case, I think you for the large family salad.
Then,
Island, bro.
yes, tapi we,
We're originally
the other one was a bit, the other one's fitted, which is good.
I'll just say I'm going to buy another shirt.
Oh, the size of the big and the two sides of the large.
I pick up and down.
Up or down?
Oh,
50-50.
oh, 50. Oh, this is Melda at Cosmonauts. Is it Cosmonauts?
Yes.